go try to hike some waterfalls, but it looks a little difficult because look at this, you guys. Look at this narrow ass road. And then I guess people can climb these, which is what that guy with no shirt is doing. Hello. Sorry, Jay. But you can rock climb that. That's kind of cool.
That's the same stuff that we see in Scotland and stuff.
And look, this is so nice. So that is our adventure for today. Woo! You're good? Let's see. We'll find out. Oh my god. The Lost Waterfalls. Hopefully I can cover some of the wind, but it's really windy. But it's time to go this way. Let's search for some lost waterfalls. Look, it's crystal clear. That's so cool. Look at Johnny. Go, go! Oh my god, he's gonna fall. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is rickety shaky. Look how beautiful. Oh my gosh, we have to go up that hill and I'm already dying. Son of a biscuit. This is gonna be hard. Well, that was a bust. Turns out they only accept cash. So we only made it to the top, didn't get to see a waterfall. We forgot to take money out too last night. We got here, we were just tired, and we saw the ATM and we didn't go, and then so now we're gonna try to go to another waterfall. Supposedly, maybe that one will be free. We'll find out. Nowhere did I see that this one they charged at, which is why we came here. So we'll see. You know, it's tough being on a budget when you travel, I gotta tell ya. Option number 2, we found this cool place. And look at this view, you guys. Apparently there's trails here, but look how pretty. You can hear the river down there. We are finally at the Cañón del Río de Cochea. And this is where you start and you make it all the way down. But we're gonna see because it's locked. So we may have to pay. We're gonna find out. So, thing number 2 did not work out either. They only do reservation group hiking. So this whole day we've been just driving around trying to figure out what to do. But we made it here to the tourist kind of Boquete entrance place. And look at this view, you guys. This is cool. They have this little touristy house here. And it's probably super windy, but that over there, down there, is Boquete. And they have this river that flows through. It's very pretty. And it looks like it's going to rain soon. So we'll see. Up here is like a little mini museum that you can learn a little bit about Boquete. We keep seeing people dressed like this. It turns out these are locals that have been here for a long time. And you can identify them by their outfits. So they have kind of this outfit on. And you see them everywhere, actually. We have carbs for lunch. Cuban sandwich. We'll see if it's as good as the ones in Tampa with fries. Word on the street is that this Fresas Mary is the best, like, strawberry split you'll ever get, and it's super cute. It's up in the mountains. It's getting kind of cold. Totally did not come prepared. And we're waiting for our fresa split, which is like a banana split with strawberries. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at this. This looks awesome. And look at these sprinkles. They're like water sprinkles. This thing's awesome. Dive in. Dun, dun, dun.
Oh, yeah.
How is it? How is it? Do you approve? Sweet. Alright, let's see. Let's check it out. Holy crap, yeah. There's a lot of stuff on this. Look at this. Woo. Oh yeah. That's super sweet. Oh, hello, healthy beauties. Today is day 2. Today is our second attempt to try to go hike a waterfall. Yesterday we had no cash. It was horrible. We wasted a lot of time. But we saw a lot of things too, I guess. Just not a waterfall. And our goal is to go see a waterfall. So we're gonna go attempt. Hopefully we have enough time. I don't know. I have to get ready for the wedding. And yeah. That's basically how we feel. Hello, let's go. These people are freaking farming up there, that's crazy. Pass, you guys! So you can wet your feet if you want, or you can go this way. Which we're definitely doing this way. Yeah. Whoa, this is crazy. It's rickety rackety. Stop it, Johnny. Look at it. Johnny's turn. Listen, you guys, there's a bird. Look, you guys, it's narrow, and look at those flowers. They're so pretty. Another crossing. Woo! You hold on here. So, we just met some people and they say it's 40 minutes away. I don't think we're gonna be able to make it. I have to go get ready for the wedding. So we're gonna try to push as much as we can. See how far we can get with the time that we have. So sad. I wanted to see a waterfall. I'm so tired. We got this. This tree is massive. Let's put it into perspective. Johnny, hold. It's this big. That's nuts. That leaf is massive. Look at that. Woo! Please let the waterfall be close. I'm too cross. Look at this thing. What? Oh, that's loose. Ah, my glasses. You guys, we found it. Oh my goodness. Woo! We've made it. We've made it. We made it, and This water feels so good. Oh yes. You guys, we're going down. We hear monkeys or something. Listen. I think we're getting closer. We gotta go. Bye. Hello, healthy beauties. Today is day 3 of Panama, and I got my Panamanian hat. This is a very typical hat that Ingrid from the wedding gave us, and it looks so cute, so I have to wear it around. Today we are in Panama City. We flew this morning from David, and now we're gonna walk in Casco Viejo and see the Panama Canal because Johnny hasn't seen it before. And yeah, let's see what we get into. We've come to Casablanca, recommended by my friend. And look at this, you guys. It's plantain with steak and a whole bunch of stuff on top, and we're gonna crush into it with a little bit of moda juice. Check this out. We have a whole fish. Sorry if you're vegan or vegetarian. And then we have Johnny's. Woo. Just finished eating. This is Casablanca in case you ever want to come. And it's really pretty here. It totally looks like an old city. You can sit out here if you want. And you can see Panama City in the distance over there. We made it to the Panama Canal. And it was very hard to get here. We actually ended up getting lost. We plugged Panama Canal on the GPS. It took us somewhere else, completely different, not where we needed to be, 30 minutes north. So that was a bummer, but we've made it. And we have just over an hour to see everything. If you ever come here, look up Miraflores Visitor Center, not Panama Canal. We've got our tickets. All right, so we currently made it inside the museum. We're gonna walk around, check it out. Then we're gonna go see a movie, and then the guy said that the boat should be outside by the time we get out of the movie. This trip has just been very interesting. We weren't able to see a boat. We have to catch a plane. And it was 20 minutes late. If it was on time, we would have seen it, but unfortunately, we didn't. Wah, wah, wah. But it's okay. We still had a good time. We still had fun. Now it's time to go home. It's always a great feeling when you're ready to go home to your nice, comfy bed, and my little Starky Poo is waiting for me. So this will end this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Like always, remember to dream big, be brave, and explore life. Until next time. Mwah.